Hello, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's that time of day again. It's time for Archie's countdown to Christmas. I hope you guys are all checking out all of these wonderful socials for Archie. Kaylee's been sharing a lot of the paints from this year's calendar. A couple of days late though, so that you don't get to see before it's time. And sledging was gorgeous. Look at that lovely warm blue there with an excellent sheen. Not too much. It's not as bright a sheen as the bubbly next to it, as you can see, but it's a very nice sheen. I like that one. Right, so number 23, Santa Cutie. Based on it having CUTIE in the title, I'm feeling like it might be a bit pink. What do you guys think? It's a red one, and we've got the peppermint swirls. Let's get in here. Oh, I hope you've all broken up for Christmas. I hope you're all resting, getting ready for the big day. And while we wait, let's find out what colour Santa Cutie is. Ooh, that is like a magenta colour. And I can sort of see a purple glow. Do you guys see? Let's wet it and see if we're right. Ooh, I can see some purple glitter floating about in there. That is an incredible colour. Indeed. Let's have a see. Ooh, fully loaded. I cannot get over how strong these colours are. Even the white is going over the actual black of the image that we're painting over. I'm not even using it all that thick, because it doesn't spread out if you use it thick, so... Ooh, got all that pink in the water there. Need to wash that straight away. Right, well, I can't see, can I see the glitter? I can see a tiny bit of the glitter settling into the tooth of the paper, but mostly it's just magenta right now whilst it's wet. So I will have to try to get the glitter to show tomorrow for you. Oh, 2 days away from the end. I can't wait to see what's left. I feel like Grinchy's probably going to be green. Starry Night, is that going to be black, or is it going to be like a silver? Maybe a gold for the stars themselves? What do you guys think? Let me know down below what you think these last two colours will be. And until tomorrow, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.